Oh, pertiga sadyang first quarter, second quarter na. Rematch gini. Beronya. Oh, nice pass to Bereber. Basket. What a pass by Beronya, the captain. To number 20, Jan Bereber. Wala. Oh, nice pass ni Vera. Oh, block. Traveling. Good block. Good defense. Sumpay. JJ Iwayan for 3. Short. Rebound goes to Beronya. Beronya, good pass to Mark. Ay, samang galapaw. Oh, white on it. Turnover for court uppers. Sumpay. Pass to Wanisa. Wanisa, short. Rebound. Goes to Sumpay. Sumpay. Grabe, perti ka ba? Kas ka bata. Foul attempt. 2 free throws coming. Ang galing nung. Wala. Sumpay basket. 1 out of 2. 29-26 is our score. 8 minutes, 55 seconds, second quarter. Almost a steal for JJ. Lansangan. Pass to Nivera. Nivera. Wala. Rebound Bereber. Hindi kay Berebero. Oh, veteran mo ba? Bereber. First attempt. Wala. Lansangan, open triple, short, rebound, Nindoren, JJ Wayan, defended by Mark Regentina. Oh, nice defense. Wanisa, jump shot, wala, rebound ni Vera. Regentina, pass to Lansangan. Lansangan, change direction. Oh, nice move to the basket. What a move! A move by Lansangan. Changes direction very quickly. Sumpay. Foul attempt. Doren to Sumpay. Doren, wide open triple, short. Rebound Lansangan. To Beronya. Beronya. Pass to Mac. Mac fade away, short. Iwayan. Basket for Romeo. Second attempt. 2 out of 2. 31-28. Court uppers with a 3-point lead. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Second quarter. Mac. Good defense by the yellow squad. Oh, good pass down low. Busy Bereber nami ka pasa ni Beronyo. 2 na to kanami nga assist. Good setup. Iwayan, thought about it. Oh, Sumpay. Tip pass to Iwayan. Iwayan. Move. Wala. Pass to Regentina. Regentina wide open. Grabe nga, pang sumungsang ng manuaw. Court uppers. 35-28. Sumpay. Pass to JJ Wayan. Wala. Oy, ganon. Why naman tawo sa dalom. Mark Regentina up and running. Mark Regentina. Siya lang isa. Basket. Time out. Aban, sino din yung ano? Court uppers of 37-28. JJ Wayan for 3. Wala gapon. Gagawais na pero may rebound, no? Oy, good Good defense. JJ Wayan. Abaw, agaw ka tao mo dipinsa man yung lansangan. Lansangan, hindi na pwede. Good defense by Romeo Idoren. Forces the turnover. Mark Paloma. Ambal yung score ko. No, wala giga score ang team. Uy, turnover, bad pass. Oh, Mac! What a great move! Si Mac. Kuha rin ang second game mo, Junkyard Dogs. May man yung second game sa Romeo. Sumpay, defended by Requentina. Sumpay. Oy, pick and roll play. Wanisa, wala gyapon. Last kay Wanisa. Oy, taway naman kay Mac all the way to the cup for 2 points. Perting ang pasubusang card-upper. So, 41-28. Doon hindi ko patihan niya. Romeo Idoren for 3. Short. Oy, nice pass. Mac Requentina again. Grabe si Mac second quarter. Siya kita naglabansyo. Vanessa. Sumpay. Wala Japon. Hindi sila kabay. Bakit Requentina naman. Nice move. Wow. Grabe si Mac Requentina. Monster game. Grabe si Mac. JJ Wayan, isa lang ka-tres. Friend de Blas. Finally, that ends the drought. Nakalingid man sila, 45-31. Pag-iina to, hindi sila ka-alin. Requentina, hot hand. Requentina for 3, short. Uy, grabe nga lumpat. Abaw! Uy, rebound ng Ray, jump on. 45-31. Romeo, wala Japon. Wanisa, gagaway naman sila ng duo. Papila na Mac. Requentina slicing the defense. Wala Japon, very rebound. Uy, white tao. Romeo, abaw, babayan na. Basket. Meronya, Berber, tulansangan for 3, short. Ang court-toppers naman din ka score. Uy, no-over naman siya. Uy, wala. That's the referee. Ball remains. Sumpay. Jump shot. Wala Japon. Another steal. Taway naman kay Mac Requentina all the way. Grabe si Mac Requentina subungaw. Iyagin si quarter. Idoren for 3. Wala Japon. Rebound Berber. Wise na rebound. Taway naman si Lansangan. Basket. Grabe ko topper subong. Kulang gidang Ray. Taway JJ Wayan for 3. Bang! 3-pointer. Gabato. 49-36. Gatosik. Uy, tawo. Foul basket. Berber, offensive rebound. Good. Grabe si Berber. Teka, veterano. Argentina. Pass kay Berber. Ginset. Meron niya. Pasa sa teammate. For 3. Wala. Oy, wala ko. Ara na, JJ Wayan gitagan. JJ Wayan. JJ Wayan. Wala. Rebound Wanisa. Wanisa paluap. Wala. Japo no. JJ Wayan rebound. JJ crossover. JJ Wayan signature move. Foul. Wayan. Lekentina wide open triple. Wala. Nagara naman ng ano. Ray. Iwayan for 3. Short. Tadlong tani. Oh, Bereber. Diyan, Bereber. Second. Mac. Pula. Grabe, shoot pa to. Oh, foul. Blocking gina. Oh, ari. Andre, kay Gogid man. 3 points, sumpay. Parinte ba nila ako, no? Sumpay. 3 points. Bereber, triple team. Bereber. Oy, good block. Sumpay. Pass to Iwayan. Garana. Oh, Garana ang Ray. Pulo na ng bansi. Oy, katawag na pasa. Lai. Oh, end of second. 43. 43.